My name's Alex, and I'm going to show you how to correct an overexposed face in Photoshop. What I usually like to do is play around with the brightness / contrast. So I'm going to go to this half circle here and select brightness contrast. And then I'm going to play with the brightness because it's really too bright. So as you can see, as I bring it down, it'll take away some of that exposure. The contrast will kind of make the exposure a little bit worse. So sometimes if you just bring the contrast down a little bit, even that will help. And if you don't want to do it that way, you can always do it with levels. This will kind of single out the exposure though, so you could always do curves too. And as you see, it kind of messes around with things, the exposure. And so actually in this particular photo, curves probably won't work. So I'm just going to go back to brightness and contrast and just stick to that. And then once you've found the brightness you want, right click and merge down, and there is your fixed photo. My name is Alex, and this is how you fix an overexposed face in Photoshop. Thank you.